Hello again, folks. This is week 5 in Research 1 and Research 2. This week, everyone should be finishing up their assignments that they have on Schoology. Those assignments are due tomorrow, which is Monday, September 14th. All 10 assignments, whether you're in Research 1 or whether you're in Research 2, are due tomorrow. Okay, this week, progress reports go out on Thursday. Grades are due Tuesday. So whatever you need to turn in, you must turn it in by Monday at the latest. I will be grading them Tuesday, and whatever grade you receive on those 10 assignments in Schoology, that'll be the grade that you get for the progress report for these first 4 weeks. So please get those done. If you need to resubmit an assignment, you go ahead and do that. Like I always say, if you get anything less than an 8, I always put down what you need to do in order to get an 8, 9, or 10. So please look at my comments and redo the assignment. Okay, so everything is due this week, Monday. All right, so progress reports will be coming out Thursday, so they'll be on focus, so you'll be able to look up your progress reports grades. They'll be final. You can look those up on Thursday. Now, too, everyone should be already in their class, working on their credit recovery class. You've had 4 weeks to get that paperwork back to me, whether it's in school, personally, or you could go ahead and upload it by taking a picture, scanning it, getting it signed, and sending it back to me. But everyone should be working on their class by now. If you haven't, you need to get that paperwork to me ASAP. As soon as you see me, or if you want to get on Schoology after um, looking at this video and get that to me, that's fine also. Um, October 9th, that's about 4 weeks from now, the class that you're taking in credit recovery is due. So if you haven't turned in the paperwork, you're behind a lot. So I would go ahead and get that paperwork done and send it to me so you can start working on your class, because after tomorrow there's no more assignments that you'll be doing in Schoology. You'll be checking on Schoology for my weekly assessments, but there won't be assignments in there because all 10 of those will be done. If you don't finish an assignment, it's going to be a 0 for you. So I would definitely finish that assignment so you can turn that in by tomorrow. Okay, your credit recovery class, um, pretty much almost everybody is in. So you should be working on that credit recovery class full time now. Okay, so that's the grades that you'll be receiving at the end of the quarter. It'll be how you did on that credit recovery class, which should be finished. A lot of you have more than one class to take. So my advice is to go ahead and try to do as well as you can and get that stuff done. So please, guys, I'm urging you to get that paperwork into me so we can get that party started. Um, Make sure you bring headphones. Get a cheap pair of headphones so you can plug them up into the computer at school so that you can go ahead and listen to the teachers and the instructors while they're giving their directions. If you have any questions, you need to go ahead and let me know when you see me on Monday or Tuesday or Thursday, Friday. But after this week, it's going to be all credit recovery class. All right, so everybody should be in their class by the end of the week and working towards completing that class. All right, if you got any questions for me, let me know when you see me in class. Have a good week and stay safe.